Before getting into the video, please subscribe, like, share, and ring that bell icon.
There are numerous intriguing facts about Japan's largest city and capital that you may not be aware of. Prepare to discover a vibrant and futuristic metropolis that perfectly merges old and new traditions. Here are some remarkable facts about this city that you will find useful and intriguing. Number 1. Very few speak English. If you speak English well, you'll find it pretty straightforward to navigate huge Asian cities. English is one of the official languages in Singapore and Hong Kong, with the majority of Singaporeans speaking English at home. Over half of Hong Kong's population also speaks English. However, if you intend to visit Tokyo, it is necessary to acquire some basic Japanese in order to minimize irritation when accomplishing simple activities. It will also be a great chance to meet locals. Number 2. Tokyo is one of the safest cities in the world. In comparison to other major cities throughout the world, crime in Tokyo is almost non-existent. So much so that residents are at ease enough to sleep on trains with their valuables in plain sight. If you forget your wallet, it is likely that it will not only be turned into the local convenience shop, but it will also be carefully maintained until the owner can be found. Number 3. Tokyo used to be called Edo. It's amazing to imagine that modern-day Tokyo, once known as Edo, began in 1603 as a poor fishing village. It expanded from a small town to a busy city with over 1 million citizens by the 18th century. Following a name change in 1868, Tokyo, which translates to Eastern Capital in English, became the official name and has continued to develop as a cultural, commercial, and technological center ever since. Number 4. Tokyo has more neon signs than Las Vegas. This is because Tokyo has more streets and a larger density of neon lights. Take a nighttime stroll through Tokyo's streets to see the lit marvel for yourself. Shinjuku and Shibuya, in particular, have streets that are entirely lighted. Number 5. You will be helped or pushed to get on the train. Tokyo's Oshiya or pushers are a reality that is hard to believe but true. Although they are officially known as passenger arrangement staff, their duty is quite uncomplicated. In peak hours, they shove commuters into packed trains to optimize the passenger count. Number 6. Tokyo is a fashion capital. The streets of Harajuku come alive with a burst of creativity and innovative trends during Harajuku Fashion Week. People from all over the world come to see the avant-garde fashion shows and get a flavor of Tokyo's distinct fashion culture. This event allows designers to present their latest works while also allowing fashion fans to mingle and explore new trends. Harajuku Fashion Week features something for everyone, from couture fashion to street style. Number 7. You can only see Mount Fuji 80 days per year. This astonishing Tokyo fact will undoubtedly astound you. Mount Fuji is frequently featured in Tokyo's scenic images. Unfortunately, despite being visible on clear days, it is frequently obscured by a thick layer of clouds. Mount Fuji can only be seen on average 80 days per year, mostly in the spring and autumn. Two of the best sites to see this iconic mountain are Lake Kawaguchi and Hakone. Number 8. Restaurant and hotel with robots. The hospitality and entertainment sectors are being transformed by Tokyo's cutting-edge robot hotels and eateries. A Dinobot greets guests at the Henna Hotel's reception. This futuristic hotel brand has multiple locations, including Ginza's first hotel with working robots. However, the robot revolution does not end there. The legendary robot restaurant in Shinjuku puts on an amazing robotic display. While this is not your average eating facility, customers may have bento boxes and refreshments while watching the play. Come see Tokyo's robotic world's technological marvels. Number 9. Tokyo welcomes more than 14 million foreign tourists each year. Tokyo is a vibrant metropolis that is always changing, from neon lights to robot eateries and hotels. It's no wonder more than 14 million foreigners come to enjoy the many treasures that Tokyo has in offer.